metro system is like incredible.
Yeah, it's good. It's important. So we're in what's called the Sunday market, even though it's Saturday. And there's a lot of really cool stuff here. Like a lot of really unique pieces, actually. Stuff that I've never seen before. You want a Green Bay Packer shirt? Or a University of Texas shirt?
Spider-Man.
Or a Spider-Man shirt. A lot of American stuff. And he's holding a hot dog. That's so weird.
My parents are very old school. They will see a coconut like, oh, that's what we know.
And for me, I'm like, I've never had a coconut, so I got using it to try it today. Yeah, I keep seeing a lot of beautiful, beautiful black folks. Thank you. But we're talking about how everybody has braids, so yeah, it's kind of nice to be different and stand out from the pack. My first coconut. Another Oh, another fun fact. You can't step on money. You can't step on money because it has the king's face on it and you would be disrespecting the king.
It's like an Arab face. What do you think? Coconut juice?
Shampoo. I don't think so. I think every sip I'll get used to it, but right now I'm not like the biggest fan.
It's warm.
I think that's what it is. If it was colder, it would be. Does it look like I don't like it? He is scraping out the inside of the coconut.
Show the inside.
Get all the meat. Wow, look at you tore it up. Killed it. Oh, another cat. Something to do literally everywhere. There is literally something to do at every corner that you turn here in Bangkok, and I'm here for it. There's another market. I can't believe there's another market. We're gonna try a Thai massage at this place here.
Foot.
Bestseller. Like another place that has food, and it is absolutely amazing. I don't even know what it's called, but they have everything you could ever want, like Garrett's popcorn, Krispy Kreme, coffee shops, more Starbucks. It's intense. It's so intense. Why do you think they should come here?
Just come. There's so much here. I'm tired of Tired of explaining it so much. Just come. Come see it for yourself. It's ridiculous. It's the most commercialized city in the world.
We're checking out this restaurant. It's called Chili, and I'm really excited. I think we're gonna get like a combo platter of stuff to share. I like the first one. I think that was nice.
This is just an all chicken.
Yeah. I like the first one. Diligently looking at the menu. Go for it. Tell me what you think. Ooh. Good. Strategies.
Both of them. Mm-hmm. Very sweet.
That's like the best thing I've eaten. And tasted on it. It's really good. Looks amazing. Wow, the presentation is everything.
Yeah, they take their time. This here is that sweet dip.
Oh, the chicken is good. Do you like the spring rolls? Everything is so good. Like, there's no... Yeah, I'm just floored. It's all so good.